the 5 best tablets that you can get in 2025 that is below $1,000. If you are new to my channel, this is AB Tech. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment, and also click on the like button. So we are going to talk about the 5 best tablets you can get in 2025 that is below $1,000. So the first one we are going to talk about today is the OnePlus Pad. So this tablet has a sleek ultra portable design for all day use, and it comes with a display of 12.1 inches, and it also comes with 144 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. Now the sound system of this tablet is powered by the Dolby speaker, and it's also a 5G cellular data sharing device. So, and the battery is 9,510 milliamp hours of battery. So it also comes with the magnetic keyboard with the camera of 13 megapixel back camera, and the front camera is 8 megapixel front camera. So this device is a wonderful device. The processor is even Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. It runs on Android 14. So it's a wonderful device that you can get that is below $1,000. Okay, the fourth one is the Apple iPad Air M2. The 11 inches display. So this tablet comes with the liquid retina true tone, and it also have the P3 color with M2 that runs on 8 gigabytes of RAM, and it has power efficiency second generation 5 nanometer 20 billion transistor that deliver 100 gigabytes per second unified memory bandwidth, which is 50% more bandwidth than that of M1. So it's a wonderful tablet that you can get that is below $1,000. Now please, if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel again as we give you the number 3 best tablet you can get in 2025, and the tablet is the Microsoft Surface Pro 11, and the price is $999 with the performance of Snapdragon X Elite, and it has up to 32 gigabytes of RAM, and the display is 13 pixel sensing flow with 120 Hz refresh rate. Now the storage is up to 256 gigabytes, and you can also extend it to 1 terabyte, and it runs on Windows 11 Pro. So the camera is 10 megapixel, the rear camera, while the front camera is just 144 front camera. So this is also a wonderful tablet that you can get that is below $1,000. Then the second best tablet you can get is the almighty Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Okay, this one is a little bit higher than $1,000, but it's just $1,199, and the performance is on Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and the display is 14.6 dynamic AMOLED 2 times display with 120 Hz refresh rate, and the battery is 11,200 milliamp hour of battery with 45 watts fast charging, and the storage is 256 that you can also extend up to 1 terabyte, and it runs on Android 14. So the rear camera is 13 megapixel and 8 megapixel ultra wide, while the front camera is just 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor. So these are the best phone that you can get in 2025 that is below $1,000. Then if I want you to guess the number 1 tablet that is below $1,000 that you can get in 2025, if you know it, comment on the comment section. Okay, now like as I said, please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button so it will encourage me to do more of videos like this for you. So the number 1 tablet that you can get in 2025 that is below $1,000 is the M4 iPad Pro from Apple, and the starting price is $999, and it has 2 display. The 11 inches are the 13 inches, but both of them comes with the Retina OLED 120 Hz refresh rate display. So this is a wonderful tablet, so powerful. The camera is 12 megapixel rear camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide front camera, and the performance is on the Apple M4 chipset, and it runs up to 16 gigabytes of RAM with a battery life of 10 hours, and the storage is from 128 gigabyte of storage, and you can extend it to like 2 terabytes of storage. So This is a wonderful tablet that you can get if you are planning to get a tablet that is below $1,000. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I see you in my next video. Peace out.